Hello guys, so the topic today is about exponential growth and decay. So this topic is under to the differential equation. So mga application na to ng DE. So first, population, pag population yung variable niya is P lang, then if growth positive yung K, then decay is negative. For the substance, yung mga radioactive, population yung mga community, mga basta about sa mga tao, then sa substance is yung mga radioactive, yung ganun guys. So positive to K is the negative for decay. So yan ang yung formula. Game, proceed tayo. So the population of a town grows at a rate of proportional to the present at any time t. The initial population is 500. So ibig sabihin yung population niya daw is 500. So tao to. So P yung gagamitin natin variable. So 500, the initial population. 500 increases by 15% in 10 years. So tataas daw siya ng 15% in 10 years. So 500 plus 500 tapos yung 15% divide lang natin sa 100. So ano yung sagot dito? 575 pa. So wait lang, double check natin. So 575, then sa 500 guys, sinabi initially 500. So ibig sabihin guys, yung time niya is 0, pero nung umangat siya ng 15% in 10 years na yun. So time is 10 years. Years to ano, years. O years. So pagit nag-add tayo ng 15, ay nag-add tayo ng 500, tas inano natin sa 15 over 100, kasi 500 increases plus yun by 15%. Ano ba yung 15% ng 500? So times mo na lang sa 500 nun, divide mo to ng 100. So ibig sabihin 15% ng 500 is 75. So 500 plus 75, kaya 575. Gets na yun, matik. Parang bumibili ka lang sa SM guys, di ba? May 15% increase, ganun. So gets na gets nyo yun guys. What will be the population in 30 years? In 30 years, what will be the population? So first, parang Newton's law of cooling. Use the initial given to find C. Use the second given condition to find the value of K. Then sa third condition, doon na makukuha yung mga unknown, yung mga pinapanap. Gets. So at P is equals to 500, P is equals to 0 years. P, yung formula natin dyan na gagamitin is P is equals to CEKT. Positive to kasi increase. So matik tumaas siya. So yung P natin, substitute lang natin siya dito sa formula na to, no? Substitute ko lang yung P natin, 500 plus E raised equals to CE raised to K, tapos yung T0. So C is equals to 500. Gets? At second condition, dito na tayo. At second condition, P is equals to 575, P is equals to 10 years. So 575. So substitute ko lang siya dito ulit sa taas. Tignan nyo sa taas yung ginuguhitan ko. So substitute ko lang dyan siya sa formula. Yung P natin, yung C natin is 500, E raised to positive K with times sa time, T. So anong gagawin natin sa susunod? Divide mo lang ng 500. Cancel. So 575 divided sa 500 is 23 all over 20, no? So equals sa E raised to 10K. So ln mo lang ng both sides. ln of 23 all over 20. Tapos from the natural logarithm, yung rules, yung laws niya, yung exponent mapumunta sa harap. So 10K ln of E. ln of E is equals sa 1s. Equals sa 1 lang yun guys. Sulat mo sa calculator mo itong ln E, lalabas dyan 1 lang. So divide mo ng 10. Yung K natin is ln 23 all over 20, divide mo ng 10. Ano yan? 0.0140. So may value na tayo ng K using the second condition. So third condition, dito na tayo nyan. Wait lang, naglo-loading na naman. Pinalitan ko lang yung ballpen guys, nag-loading. Malas. Wait, di na tayo magpapalit siguro ng ballpen para mabilis. So, eto, third condition. So, the unknown is P with the given time of 30 years. So, P is unknown, yung given niya is 30 years. Kaso meron na tayong value ng K, 0.0140, C natin is 500. So, substitute lang natin sa formula na P, C, E raised to KT. Yung P is unknown, yung C natin is 500, E raised to K, 0.0140. Then, yung T natin is 30. So, P is equals to, what? Yung sagot dito, 760.98. Ganyan guys, or 761. Basta, depende sa prof nyo. Tanong na sa prof nyo if tumatanggap pa ng decimal kahit population or hindi. So, but this is the answer guys, 760.98. So, number 2, bacterial. So, bacterial na to, gagamit lang tayo ng KX dito. So, is known to have a rate of growth proportional to B itself. If between at noon 12 o'clock yun guys, and 2 p.m. the population's triples. So, sa bandang alas 12 daw guys, yung population natin dyan hindi nabanggit, pero nung 2 p.m. daw, bigla daw nag-triples. Ibig sabihin, nung population na initial na hindi binanggit guys, ibig sabihin, maglelet lang tayo ng PO. Ibig sabihin ng PO guys is 100 or 1 no? 100 or 1. So, madalas ginagamit dyan is PO na lang. P not or P sub O. PO na lang, babanggitin ko mamaya PO no? So, sinabi daw is the population triples. Ibig sabihin ng triples guys, yung population daw, tinripli niya yung initial. Gets? At what time no controls being exerted should B becomes 100 times. At one time daw, na yung P niya daw is magiging 100 times ng initial, which is PO. 100 times ng initial, which is PO. At time is 12 o'clock. Since 12 o'clock yan, dyan pala nag-start. Yung time niya is 0 minutes. With P is equals to PO. So, ano yan? Ibig sabihin yan, ito ay growth. Since dito is 1 lang, naging 3, tas naging 100 times. So, ibig sabihin, formula is P is equals to C E raised to KT. Positive K. P is equals to C E raised to K. Wait. So substitute ko na siya dito sa formula. Ano yung P natin? P sub O. E. C E raised to K. Tapos yung T natin 0. So C is equals to P sub O. At time, sa second condition na tayo. At time, 2 o'clock daw ng hapon, the population is triple. So yung P natin, 3PO. Ito yung formula guys. Sinasubstitute ko lang guys. Plug and play lang guys. 3PO. C. Ano yung C natin? PO. E raised to K. Yung time natin 2 hours. The difference ng 12 o'clock at 2 p.m. is 2 hours. So, 2 hours siya. Ito, 2 hours. Divide mo lang ng PO. Cancel. 3E raised to 2K. So, ln mo both sides. So, ln of 3, 2K of ln of E. ln of E yun guys. ln of E is automatically 1. Divide mo lang ng 2. So, K is equals sa ln of 3 all over 2. Ano yan? Sulat mo nga sa calco guys. Wait lang. ln of 3 divided by 2 is 0. Wait. 0.549 no? K 0.549. That's the value of K. Okay. So, next, third condition na tayo. At time is unknown, the population is 100 times. At time is unknown, the population is 100 times. Yung P natin, ito yung formula. Sulat ko lang ulit, baka malito po kayo guys. So, substitute lang natin. Yung P, lagay lang natin, 100 PO. Yung C natin is PO, di ba? Ito yun. E raised to K. Ano yung K natin? 0.549. Ito yun guys. 0.549. Tapos yung T natin, ano yung T natin? Is unknown. So, divide mo lang ng PO both sides guys. Cancel, cancel, cancel. 100 is equals to E 0.549T. So, ln mo both sides. ln ng 100. Itong 0.549 mapupunta sa harap. ln ng P. Divide mo lang. Tapos yung 0.549 guys, divide mo both sides. Cancel, cancel. So, T is equals sa ln of 100 all over 0.549. Gets? So, yung T sa ln of 100 divide 0.549. So, this is 8.388 hours. Ibig sabihin, 8.38 hours. T, yung 0.388 hours dyan guys is what? Gawin natin into minutes guys. 1 hour, 60 minutes. Ilan to? Is 23.28 minutes. Diba guys? Yung 8 is hours. Yung itong 0.388 na hours, ginawa nating minutes. Diba guys? Ilan siya? Ito ay 8 hours. Ito ay 23.28 minutes. Ibig sabihin guys, anong oras tayo nag-start kanina? At what time no controls being exerted should be becomes 100 times what it was noon. So, nag-start daw siya ng noon, which is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock ng hapon, plus tayo ng 8 hours and 23.28 minutes. Ibig sabihin yan, at 8 o'clock daw ng 23.28 minutes guys. PM is naging 100 times na siya ng initial guys. So the final answer for this problem guys is 8:23.28 minutes. 8:23.28 PM na lang guys. So gets, kahit wag mo na lagyan tong 0.28, okay lang yan guys. Hindi naman 8:23 PM. Gets. So I hope na gets. So proceed tayo sa number 3. Wait. A certain radioactive guys. So radioactive to. Ibig sabihin yung variable gagamitin is letter X. Gets. So game, proceed tayo number 19. A certain radioactive decay at a rate proportional to the amount present if initially there is 50 milligrams. So, sinabing initial daw guys, 50 milligrams of the material present. So, walang sinabing time. So, 0 yung time niya. After 2 hours, ayun. After daw ng 2 oras, it is observed that the material has lost 10% of its original mass. Nawala daw yung 10%. Ano yung 10% guys? 50 minus 50 of its 10%. Yung 10 all over 100 is 0.10. Ay is equals yan sa 10%. Bakit minus? Yung kanina plus, diba? So sinabi is loss. Ito loss. Kaya minus. Yung kanina increase, kaya plus. So 50 minus 50, it's 10 all over 100. Yung 10 all over 100 is 10%. Ano yung sagot dyan guys? 50 minus 50, 10 over 100. Ibig sabihin guys, 45 milligrams na lang yung remaining at 2 2 hours. Kasi yung 10% daw is na loss. So na tayo. Find the expression of the mass of the material remaining at any time. So, equation lang yun. Then, the mass of the material after 4 hours. So, after 4 hours, ano daw yung mass? Oops. So, doon mo tayo sa letter A. Ito. Expression at any time lang daw. So, at x equals sa 50, yung time is 0. Ano yan, guys? This is a what? Decay. X equals to C e raised to negative KT. Bakit X? X is radioactive or any substance, then the negative is for the decay. X, C e raised to negative K. That time is 0. Cancel. C is equals sa X. At X equals sa 45 milligrams. Dito na tayo, second condition. Ito, nakuha na natin. Dito na tayo sa second condition. 45 milligrams. At time is equals to 2 hours. Yung X natin is 45. Ito yung formula now, guys. Baka malito kayo. X equals to C. Yung C natin is X. E raised to negative K, then 2. Gets? So, ano si tinatanong daw dito? Yung time ay yung equation pala at remaining at any time t, diba guys? Gets? So, katapos nyan guys, ano, pwede naman tayong mag sorry, this is a 50. So, sinabi sa initial condition, may nakalimutan ko, 50 pala yung value nito. So, X is 50, yung time daw natin is 0, di ba? Ulitin ko. May value pala tayo ng initial, so 50. This is a 50, guys. Papalitan ko lang naman ng 50. Yung 50 daw is ito. Pero ito yung formula, no guys? X equals to C e raised to negative KT. X is 50, ito yun, 50. Is equals to C e raised to negative K. That time is 0. C is equals to 50. So, at X is equals to 45, guys. Ito yun, yung X daw gawin natin 45. Is equals to C. Ano yung C natin? 50. E raised to negative K. T is 2. So, divide mo lang ng 50 yan, guys. Cancel. 45 all over 50, guys. Ano yun? 9 all over 10. Wait pa tayo magbaba. 9 all over 10 is equals sa e raised to negative 2k. So, LN mo lang ng both sides yan, guys. LN 9 all over 10, negative 2. Mapupunta yan sa harap, diba? From the loss of natural logarithmic, guys. So, cancel. LN e is equals sa 1. Divide mo lang ng 2 yan, guys. So, negative k. ln 9 all over 10. Divide mo daw sa 2. Ano yung sagot na yun, guys? Negative 0.0527. That's the value of our k. So, yung tinatanong is an expression for the mass of the material remaining at any time. So, maggagawa lang tayo ng equation dyan. The formula is C e raised to negative KT. Yung X, wala tayong lalagay dyan na X now, guys. Yung C natin, ano? 50. E, yung K, negative K natin is 0.0527 T. So, sinabi sa problem is the expression of the mass material remaining at any time T. At any time T, ibig sabihin, pag naglagay ka ng kahit anong oras dyan, guys, makakakuha ka daw ng remaining X, which is, ano yun, remaining materials, guys. So, this is the answer for letter A. So, letter B tayo, guys. Wait, sana yung B. The mass of the material after 4 hours. So, ibig sabihin, at X equals sa 50 e raised to negative 0.527 T. Yung T natin is 4 hours, guys. So, ano yung sagot dito? X equals sa 40.50 milligrams guys. 40.50 milligrams guys. At time is 4 hours now guys. So this is the answer for letter B. So the letter C is the time at which the material has decayed to 1/2 of the initial mass guys. Gets ba yun? Ibig sabihin, magiging anong oras daw na kung saan yung initial mass natin which is 50. The initial mass is 50 guys. Initial mass is 50 at what time? Ganito lang yun guys. So, at x equals sa 50. Sinabi sa problem mga ngalahati, the time at which the material decayed to 1/2 of the initial mass. At what time? X is 25. 25 yun guys. Then copyin mo lang yung general equation natin pinasagot kanina sa letter A. Palitan mo lang to ng 25 kung x. So 25 equals 50 e raised to negative 0.521 at t is anytime. Negative 0.0527. Yan. So divide mo lang ng 50 yan, di ba guys? 25 all over 50 is 1/2. Cancel. Negative 0.0527t. ln mo lang ng both sides yan. The exponent mapupunta sa harap. ln 1/2 negative 0.0527t and ln of e. ln e is equals to 1. Negative 0.0527 negative 0.0527. Dinivide ko lang sila both sides. Natanggal, ang naiwan sa kabila is time. So ln of 1/2 divide mo lang ng negative 0.527t. So negative 0.0527. The time is 13.15 hours yan. Now guys, 13.15. Ulitin ko, 13.15 hours. 13.15 hours. So, gets? So, yun. So, proceed tayo sa ating pang-apat na problem. Oh, tama, pang-apat. So, number 4. So, the rate at which the radioactive nuclei is proportional to the number as such that the nuclei are present in a given sample. Half of the original number of radioactive nuclei have undergone to disintegration in a period of 1,500 years. What percentage of the original radioactive nuclei will remain after 4,500 years? So, basahin ko lang ulit. The rate at which the radioactive nuclei is proportional to the number of such nuclei that at present half of the original number of the radioactive nuclei have undergone disintegration of a period of 1,500 years. So, sinabi, sa x natin, wala siya sinabi. So, imatik yung x natin is equal sa x initial. Pero, sinabi daw, pagkatapos daw ng 1,500 years, guys, mangangalati daw siya. So, at x is initial, guys, the time is 0. But, at 0.5 ng initial, guys, is 1,500 years. Sinabi naman sa problem, guys, oh, half of the original number. Original number is the XO. Active nuclei have undergone disintegration in a period of 1,500 years. So, pag nangalati na daw siya in 1,500 years. What percentage of the original radioactive decay will remain after 4,500 years? So, ano daw yung sagot dito? Value, which is yun yung pinapahanap. Game, using the first condition, guys, at xxo, Tm is 0. So, the formula here, guys, is x equals to x C to C e raised to negative kt. Yung x natin is x sub o, C e raised to negative k. The time is 0, C is X sub O. Gets? I hope na gets. Naintindihan naman guys. So, game. Proceed tayo. At the condition 2 is 0.5 XO. Dito na tayo guys. At time is 1,500 years. So, at X is 0.5 XO. Sinasubstitute ko lang siya dito guys ha. Baka malito pa kayo. C natin is X sub O. E raised to negative K with the time of 1,500. Divide mo lang ng X sub O yan both sides. So, anong natira sa kabila? 0.5. E raised to negative 1,5. Negative 1,5 yan guys. Pagpasensya nyo yung sulat ko. Then, eto, dadalhin sa harap. Negative 1,5. K ln of P. Ln of P is 1. Divide mo lang ng 1,5 yan guys. 0.5 yun. Divide mo lang ng 1,5. Cancel. Ano yung naiwan? Negative K. Negative K is equals sa ln 0.5 divide 1,5. Ano nakuha natin guys? Negative 4.62098 times 10 raised to negative 4, diba guys? Gets? So, alam nyo kung paano iusog yan papunta sa kaliwa, guys. Gets? So, usog lang natin yan to papunta sa wait. Titignan lang ako guys. $4,500 years. So, game. Proceed tayo. May tinignan lang ako guys. So, ganito na lang natin susulat yan sa K, no? Pero pwede mo naman sulat na ganito yan, no? Ay 62098. Ito yung point. Iusog mo lang ng 4 na beses papunta sa kaliwa. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, magdadagdag ka lang ng 0, guys. 1, 2, 3, 0. Tapos ito iturdok. Gets naman yun, no, guys? Gets na gets yun, guys. Matik. Pero ganito na lang natin susulat, no? Dito sa sample problem na to. Pero alam ko, dapat ganito sinusulat yun, yung ganito ko. Depende sa teacher nyo guys. Tanungin nyo na lang. So, saan na tayo? At X is unknown with the time of 4,5. X, yung C natin ano? X sub O. Yung C natin. E raised to negatives. Ano to? 4.62. 4.62 na lang susulat ko, no? Times 10 raised to negative. Ano yun? Negative 4. X, so E raised to negative 10 time is 4,5. So, at X equals to 0.1255. 0.12505 X sub O. So, to get the percentage, guys, multiply mo lang ng 100 yan. 100%. So, times ka lang ng 100% dyan. Ang lalabas dyan is 12.506 XO. So, ito na yung final answer, guys. Percent. Or, X equals to 12.506% X initial, guys. Gets? So, I hope that gets. So, answer for letter A is 12.5%. Percentage, guys. Gets? So, in how many years will only 1/10 is the original number remain? So, in how many years will only 1/10 is the original number remain? So, 1/10 na lang daw yung natitira, guys. Kailan daw mangyayari yun? 1/10. Yung X natin, ano? Wait lang. only 1/10 is the original number remain. So 1/10 daw ng original number. So ibig sabihin nun guys is what? At x is 1/10 na lang daw ng original number remain. The original number is the x initial, the xo. At what time? So 1 all over 10 xo. The formula is x is c e raised to negative kt. X is 1 over 10 xo. Yung c natin nakasulat kanina is x sub o. Ito yun, no? Tapos yung e natin negative. Yung k natin ano? Negative 4.62 times 10 raised to negative 4. Tapos yung time is unknown. Guys, pag susulat kayo ng value ng k, guys, depende na lang sa prof nyo, no? Pero alam ko sa mga ibang teacher, 3 significant figures, 0.0462. So, itong negative 4.62 times 10 raised to negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, apat daw. So, 0, 0, 0. Tapos tuldok. Gets? So, eto yun. Kaso, pag sinabi ng teacher mo, 3 significant figure, ibig sabihin guys, yung mga nasa 0 na nasa left, lahat ng nasa 0 nasa left guys, hindi yan counted as significant figure. Dito siya mabibilang. Halimbawa, ganito. Ito, ilang significant figure niyan meron yan nito, di ba guys? So, kapag ganyan guys, yung 0 is nasa kanan guys, mabibilang siya bilang significant figure guys. Gets? Gets ba yun guys? So, halimbawa ganito, 0.02. Significant figure nito is isa lang. Isa lang kasi hindi na ito mabibilang kasi nasa left. Halimbawa ganito, 0.0201. Ito ay 3 significant figure, hindi na ito bibilangan. Halimbawa ganito naman, 2.041. Ito ay mabibilang kasi yung 0 ay nasa gitna na. So ito ay 4 significant, ito ay 3, ito ay 1. Gets? So, ito niyan ay 3 significant figure kasi itong 0, 0 na nasa kaliwa, hindi na siya bibilangin. Ito na lang mabibilang. So, ito yung tatlo. Yung naka-check. 462. Wait lang no, guys. Oh, game. Wait, tinignan lang ako. Oh, game, cancel to. 1 over 10 e raised to negative 0. Oops, not 0, 0. Sulat ko na lang ng naka-scientific notation. ln ko lang yan ng both sides, tas ito mapupunta sa harap. Yung ln e 1 lang yan, di ba? ln 1 over 10. So, divide ko lang ng ano? Negative 4. So, na ba tayo magbaba? Negative 4.62 times 10 raised to negative 4. Cancel, cancel. That time is ln 1 all over 10. Divide mo lang daw ng negative 4.62 times 10 raised to negative 4. That time is what? So, wait lang guys, calculate ko muna. $4,983.95 years. 4,983.95 years guys. So, ito na yung final answer guys. So, gets? So, proceed tayo sa ating last problem guys. Meron pa ba? Ito, meron pa pala. Oh, game. So, chemical reactions naman. So, gagamit tayo ng variable x. Gets. Oh, site na lalay ko. Game is chemical converts a certain chemical into a chemical to another chemical in the rate at which the first chemical is converted to the amount of this present chemical at any time. At the end of 1 hour, now is 50 gram of the first chemical remain. 50 grams daw ang natira at the end of 1 hour, guys. Gets? So, yung mga ibang nagsosolve nito, guys, nag-a-assume sila ng value ng initial. So, but this time, guys, gagamit na lang tayo ng XO. So, yun na tinuro ko. Hindi naman binanggit yung initial. So, XO ang gagamitin natin. Binanggit lang. Pagkatapos daw ng isang oras, meron ka na daw 50 grams. So, 50 gram pagkatapos ng isang oras. Ito ay X initial ng 0 hours of the first chemical remain, while at the end of the 3 hours, only 25, guys. So, how many grams of the first chemical were present initially? So, dito, guys, hinahanap dito is yun yung wait lang, ayaw mapindot yung blue ball pen. Ayan, nag-loading na naman. Wait lang, guys, no, naglo-loading, oh. Hindi ako makapagsulat yan. Ay, game. Wait lang, ayaw pa rin magsulat. Malas ko naman, parts. Wait lang, guys. So, habang naglo-loading, guys, so, mabibigay ko lang tips dito sa mga application is solve lang ng solve ng problema, guys. So, hanggat hindi mo, lalo na sa mga alanganin when it comes to DQ, mga nahihirapan, guys. So, I think the best way to learn, guys, is to solve many problem, as many as you can, guys. Huwag puro lock spam, guys, ha. Baka nagme-memorize kayo ng solution, wala kayong matututunan dun, guys. So, gets, game na tayo. At x is equal sa XO, so first condition tayo, at time is 0. The formula is negative CAKT. Bakit negative? Kasi pababa siya from initial XO to 50 to 25, pababa. X, yung X natin is XO. Yung C natin, E raised to negative K. Yung time natin is 0. C is XO. At X equals sa 50, yung time natin ng isang oras. 50 XO E raised to negative K. Tas yung T natin is 1. 50 equals sa XO E raised to negative K, diba? Divide mo lang ng E raised to negative K. Cancel, cancel. So, ano yung nakuha natin dyan, guys? XO 50 E raised to negative K. So, gets? That's the second condition. And the third condition, guys, 25 and T3. X equals to 25 at time is 3. X is 25. The formula here is ito, guys. Oh. X is 25. C natin is what? May C na ba tayo? Oo, may C na tayo. XO. XO. Ito yung C natin, oh, guys. XO. E raised to negative K. Then, time natin is 3. Kaso, kung mapapansin nyo, guys, 25. Ano yung value ng XO natin? The value of XO is ito. Yung nakuha natin sa second condition. Then, E raised to negative 3K. So, from the loss of exponent, guys, 25, 50, E raised to negative K, E raised to negative 3K. XM all over XN. XN, XM. So, XM minus XN. So, ganito rin yan. Yung XM natin minus lang sa XN. Yun yung mga exponent, no? E raised to negative 3K minus natin sa exponent na to. Minus negative K. This is a positive. k. So, negative 3k plus k is e raised to negative 2k. So, gets? So, 25, 50 e raised to negative 2k. So, divide mo lang ng 50 yan, guys. Cancel, cancel. 25 divide by 50 is 1 half e raised to negative 2k. ln mo lang ng both sides yan, guys. ln of 1 half equals to negative 2k ln of e. Divide mo lang ng 2 yan, guys. Cancel, cancel. Ang natira is negative k. Negative k is equals to ln of 1 half all over 2. So that negative k is equals to what? Negative 0.3466, guys. That's the value of negative k. Kung makikita nyo, guys, anong tinatanong sa problem? Yung initially. So using this formula, guys, na produce natin kanina, xo is 50 e raised to negative k. What is the value of negative k nyan, guys? Negative 0.3466. Negative 0.3466. Yes, tama. Sulpak mo lang sa calc yan. 50 over alpha e raised to negative 0.3466. Ang answer dito is 70.71. Anong units nito, guys? Grams. Grams. Grams to, no? Grams. So, this is the answer for letter A. Gets? So, ito yun, guys. Wait, ba tayo mausog? Gets? Medyo pangit lang sulat ko. Goods lang yan, guys. Importante, marunong mag-solve. So, letter B. Letter B, how many grams of first chemical will remain at the end of 5 hours? So, at the end of 5 hours, what is how many chemical will remain? X e raised to negative kt. Yung X natin, ito yung pinapahanap, yung remain. Yung C natin, ano yung C natin? From kanina, guys, yung C natin is X sub O. Ito, itong binibilugan. Kaso meron na tayong value na X sub O. Kaya 70.71 susulat na natin dito. E raised to negative k. Ano yung value ng negative k, guys? 0.3466. Tapos yung time. From letter B, ano sinabi? Wait, linisin ko lang, guys. Ayaw mabura. Ayan na naman, nag-loading, kapatid. Sandali lang, mga master, no? Wait lang, master. Last problem na lang, oh. Yung patayin patapusin, mga master. Okay, mga master. At the end of 5 hours. So, 5 hours yung time niyan natin dito. This is the value of negative k. This is the value of c. Kanina yung c natin x sub o. Kaso may value na tayo x sub o, which is 70.70. So, gets na yun now, guys. Gets, I think. So, the correct answer for this is 12.5 grams na lang ang matitira at the end of 5 hours. This is the answer for letter B. So, letter C naman tayo. In how many hours will only 2 grams of the first chemical remain? So, how many hours daw, guys? So, given tayo ng X, 2 grams. Tinatanong, how many hours? So, palitan lang natin ito ng 2. Tapos yung 5, tanggalin natin. So, 2 e raised to negative 0.3466 with the unknown time. Time yung tinatanong. 70.71. Divide pa lang. So, cancel. Cancel. 2 all over. So, ln mo lang ng both sides. Excel. So, divide mo lang ng negative 0.3466 time ln2 over 70.71. Kaso ito is ibig sabihin yan divide. So, divide mo lang ng negative 0.3466 guys. So, ganito lang yun, ln2 over 70.71 divide by negative 0.3466. Pag sinulat mo sa calcul, ganito. Pinakita ko lang. Pero pag sinulat mo sa papel, ganito na lang guys. Pero pag sinulat mo sa calcul, ganito. The final answer is what? 10.2870. 10.70 hours. So, wala to, no? So, the final answer is 10.2870 hours, guys. So, that's it, guys. Thank you, Nuggets. I hope, Nuggets. So, konting background lang. Ito yung mga formula. Positive growth. Wait, nasaan na? Ito, growth. Negative for decay. Positive for growth, negative for decay. Pag di sinabing initial, matic X sub O with the time of 0. Pag sinabi naman yung initial guys, halimbawa 50 with the time of 0 guys. Depende sa problem, pakabasahin lang guys. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you. God bless and good luck. Goodbye.